Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage language on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! When you buy a Mac, it comes with a default language and time zone setting based on where you bought it. The settings are not fixed. You can easily add multiple languages or just your native tone if you prefer to use that instead. So, what if you want to change language on your MacBook device? It's very simple. First of all, you can just go to your setting to your system preferences on MacBook. After that, from here, you can select on language and region. So from here, you can go to general. So here's your preferred language. If I have three preferred language, and if you want to use one of them as your primary, you can just drag the language. You can click and drag it. For example, I want to set Bahasa Indonesia as my primary language. You can just click and drag into in here. Maybe you want to add English Canada, or you want to add Chinese, Espanol, or Netherlands. You can choose and you can add to your preferred language. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage language on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!